Spin the old school, man.
Yo, thank you, Bobby Stone. Enough respect. Brooklyn Knights, new old school, the session. Yo, I got my man KPZ here. KPZ, big him up.
It's a motherfucking session. Tell your girl about it. Tell your girls about it.
Alright, guys, I hope you're ready. Let me show you how a white man lays it down, yo. I'm gonna spit a little acapella for you. Ready, yo? The bunny in my head goes flip flop, flip flop. The kitty in my mind goes meow 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 meow. I'm just fucking with you. Who's ready for that real nasty, old school, dirty hip hop shit? Can I get a fucking hell yeah? Everybody make some noise for my man Bobby Stone. Can I get some noise for Jamaica bobsled team? No people say they know we can't believe Jamaica we have a bobsled team. We're the one there is. Yo, I'm gonna spit a little acapella for y'all, for real though, ready? Hey yo, my name is Hypnos. I'm quick wit to hit with the missiles. Don't miss with the AK, bust quick with the pistols. Clip hit you in the lip, the blood it might trickle. Heart so cold, turn my veins to icicles. Dog, you wanna battle with me? You nervous? Just can it. You can find me in Kingston, burning the best herb on the planet. Yeah. I can say life is just amazing. A bitch got my finger on the trigger, PA's in the split. I can make the greats seem like the worst rappers here. This my click, you got a home like the Earth's atmosphere. I know my rap is the big pictures on the pad, so I'm quick to kill a bitch if he thinks my shit is bad. Yo, I make shit realistic, so if you listen to my hit shit, take a deep breath, smell the coke in the kitchen. Got rhythm and vibration, you can feel what I say. So if we're talking about gunshots, you best duck to keep safe. DJ, spin that shit, bro. Who smokes weed up in there? How about weed smokers? Hell yeah! Big it up, make some noise like the blunts! Yo, here goes the Professor Molester session, the new old school. I only wanna know one thing. You wanna know what I wanna know? Yeah! All I really wanna know where the weed's at. Not the sticks, not the stems, not the seed bag. I just wanna get high, can you see that? No need no mission. I just wanna get high, can you see that? No one be no rich, just relapse. All I really wanna know where the weed's at. All I really wanna know where the weed's at. So shit, OG got me seeing shit. Red hands, green buds on purple sticks. Every time I burn this foot, damn this shit fucking stinks. Hit the bong, man, hit it long in. Hit the floor, cause the body's fucking strong down. Weed that I hear looks so fluffy. Grown in the hills and it tastes like coffee. Hey you, I'm much higher than fuck you, Spider-Man. I love Mary Jane. What we got to say? Say passing on. Trust me, your herb is very plain. Passing like a tank, smoking like a train. Insane, higher than a fucking plane. Yo, let me tell you something. I know that everybody in there, I got love for everybody in here. Bobby Stone, the new old school, and everyone in there knows what I'm saying about the haters and the critics. I mean, look at us, all I gotta say is, yo, they in there waiting by the phone for them motherfuckers who ain't calling. They in at shows waiting till 5 o'clock in the morning to spit some rhymes and feel you. All I gotta say to the haters is, I am hip-hop! Yo, I got one more rhyme for y'all and I'm out.
Yeah. Session. The new old school, shout to Bobby Stone.
It's a hit man, a rap sick man, fuck a bitch quick fast. What you looking at? Cause I would kick your ass. But first I'ma turn these up to twin ass. You're a puppet, like you got a fist in ass. I'm a shooting star, burning through the fucking skies. Y'all know me and wearing on the skies. You're a homo, bent over sucking guys. Save the day surprise, that's a word from wise. Lord knows I done cried too many fucking nights. Heard too many lies, committed many crimes. Look in my eyes, I ain't playing this style. I ain't the sharpest tool in the shade to see, but I would fuck a girl and turn a pool into a Red Sea. Got it nasty, too nasty. No one blood girls gonna pass me. You know who it is, man. It's a hit man, a very sick man. Fuck a bitch quick fast. What you looking at? Cause I will kick your ass. But first I'ma turn these up to Twig and Nash. Yo, Brooklyn, I love you. Big